Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will be talking about the pharmaceutical roots of Coca-Cola, a historical analysis in which we exploring its origin, ingredients and intended purpose. Introduction. Coca-Cola actually started out as a kind of medicine. It was created by a pharmacist named John Pemberton, originally to help with his morphine addiction. It is also called as a patent medicine. A patent medicine is like in 18th or 19th century. There were these things called patent medicine. They were basically homemade health drinks or pills that people could buy from a pharmacy without a doctor's prescription. The Coca-Cola ingredients include cocaine from coca leaves and caffeine from cola nuts. Early, it was promoted as a healthy tonic. The inventor John Stedith Pemberton. Pemberton was a pharmacist and chemist and also a Civil War veteran. After being injured in the war, he became addicted to morphine. So he used his chemistry skills to develop a new kind of pain relief, what would eventually become Coca-Cola. At that time, using cocaine and caffeine in medicines was actually common. The original purpose. When Coca-Cola was first invented in 1886, it wasn't a soft drink, it was a medicinal beverage. It was meant to help with headaches and other common issues. People bought it in drugstores as a type of patent medicine. Later on, the cocaine was removed and it became more of a refreshing drink than a medicine. Early ingredient. The original formula included coca leaves and cola nuts. So yes, it had both cocaine and caffeine. These were seen as tonics, that things that help the body and mind. Coca-Cola was marketed for things like headaches and exhaustion. By 1903, the company took the cocaine out and caffeine remained as the key stimulant. The formula transition. After 1903, Coca-Cola shifted its formula to reflect new health standards and public opinion. They removed the cocaine and focused more on caffeine. The company also changed how they marketed the drinks, less about medicines and more about enjoyment. The role of pharmacy. Pharmacy played a big role in Coca-Cola's early days. Pemberton made the original syrup himself, experimenting in his lab, and early on you could only buy Coca-Cola at the pharmacy soda fountain. So pharmacists were important in getting the drinks out to the people. The legacy of the pharmaceutical roots. Even though Coca-Cola is now a global soft drink, its roots are still in pharmacy. What started as a cure for addiction, turning into a cultural icon. The journey from medicine to mainstream soda shows just how powerful marketing, science and timing can be. Conclusion. So Coca-Cola's story isn't just about a beverage, it reflects change in medicine, business and culture from a small pharmacy in Atlanta to worldwide success. It's a fascinating example of how things evolve. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you found Coca-Cola's history as surprising and interesting as I did.